Hi, I'm Andy from Renovate, Innovate, and I'm going to show you how to safely change a light switch. Hi, I'm Andy from Renovate, Innovate. Today I'll be showing you how to switch over a light switch. In this case we're going to be switching one over. We've got dimmable switch and non-dimmable bulbs, which is causing a flickering at the light, and the customer has requested a chrome coloured switch. So I'm going to do this video, you follow these steps, it'll give you the confidence to do this yourself. It's a simple job. Make sure the power's isolated. In our other videos, we've got lots of other videos that show you how to do that properly, so subscribe to our channel. Also click the notification bell, you get notifications of all other videos we've got on our channel, some great stuff on there. So let's do this now, let's crack on. We've isolated the power in the mains box. We'll check this, we'll check it again when we've opened it up to make sure, with our tester, to make sure the power's dead. It's a simple job, just unscrewing these to start with and removing this switch. All the tools that you need will be linked in the description below. I recommend definitely using these VDE screwdrivers for safety. Oh, there we are. And if you look in there, simple job of just now releasing these two cables. Again, just a last minute test to make sure there's nothing there, which there isn't. So there we have it. We've got a live and a neutral ready to go into our new switch. It's best practice as well to have a flying lead, an earth going from the back box to this chrome switch. So it's best practice, so that's what we're going to do. Okay. So to make this flying lead, this earth, we take the 1mm cable, cut it open, and we remove the earth from there. The reason for doing this is if someone was to follow us, if there ever was an issue in the future with this chrome plated switch, and there's a loose live that can connect to this switch, as soon as you undo the screws, this will then become live. There'll be no earth travelling from the metal box, the metal switch, to the back box. Some say it's okay just to have the earth connected by the switches, by the screws, sorry, through there, but as soon as you remove them, it's not earth anymore. So best practice is just to put that cable in there. Simple, find the earthing clamp in the back box, and then I'm going to fold over this cable before we put it in there. Take some pliers, squash that down. And we'll place that in there. So next thing to do is take our earth sleeving and place that over this. I'm going to shorten this a little bit, and I'm going to pull this forward and just remove 10mm, throw that away, and then push this back, and that just gives us 10mm of exposed cable to put onto the earth clamp on the back of the switch. Now you've got a red, a black and a green and yellow wire, and I'll show you where these go on the back of this switch. The switches will be labelled up, all switches are labelled up and tell you where each switch will go. This red one is the common, that goes into the top of the switch. The black one, the neutral, will put that into the L1, and then the earth into where the earth symbol is, which is shown there. And we'll just tighten them up. Oop. Now it's important here to make sure these are tightened up. Just give them a little pull on that. Don't over tighten them because you'll crush the cable. Just tighten enough so they don't pull out. A little pull test should be enough. Same again with this one. You don't want any exposed copper showing when these are tightened. Just going to double check that's tight enough. Again, it won't pull out. Careful not to mark your wall. And then the earth. And finally the earth in there. And that's it, the 3 cables are in. Very simple job. And then we just put the screws in. In this case, the screws that have come with the switch are long enough to reach the back box. Depending on what kind of wall you've got and where the back box is sitting, you may need to get longer screws, or longer screws and even shorten them to fit, because you don't want them to be too long and sticking out. So in this case, it's a plasterboard wall on studs, so we know that this is going to work fine. Check out our other videos, and it'll show you how to identify what kind of wall you've got. Okay. So we put one screw just to nip it up a little bit, and the other one we can still see what we're doing. Line that up with a lug on the back there. Fiddly, so take your time. There you go. Line that up where the old one used to be. And just take your time here, not to let the screwdriver slip. I've seen it often when the screwdriver slips and scratches the chrome plating. Just take your time, nice and tight again so that it doesn't move. And then I'm going to turn the power back on. Right, so that's it, the power's back on. I hope that's giving you the confidence to try this yourself. Everything's fine. It stopped that flickering, the problem I had there with the lights. Everything's good. If you have liked this video, please like and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and you get all notifications. I'm out of breath, I'm going to turn this on. Notifications of all the other videos. We've got some great videos on our channel. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.